Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to dive in how to scrape website with ChatGPT. Whether you are a seasoned coder or a beginner, this quick tutorial will show you the ropes of effortless web scraping using ChatGPT. So obviously, we are going to use ChatGPT, and what you can do is just search chat.openai.com, or you can just search on Google OpenAI. Once you search that, just click on ChatGPT and it will take you right over here. Here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna sign up if you don't have, existing login over here. If you click on sign up, you will see some few options which you can choose, like Google. You can continue with Google account or Microsoft account, and also with Apple. Or you can create your own email address, and if you don't want to integrate it with different platforms, so you can just go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna log in because I have already created, and I'm gonna continue with my Google account. So once I click on this, you will see this kind of screen. Just click on your account and it would take me to the platform where we want to. And here we are. So as you can see, it's showing me different things which you can do with ChatGPT, but we are not going to talk about, right? We are going to talk about how to scrape the website. To scrape the website, I have found this one. As you can see, I have searched imdb.com top 250 movies. So if I click on this first link, you will end up over here. I'm going to scrape this website. So this is the, you know, for example, like I'm going to use this website for this tutorial, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy its URL, and after that, just come back and I'm going to paste it over here. But before we go ahead and paste it over here, we need to write it before, to give a prompt. Prompt are very necessary in my opinion on ChatGPT, to explain it very carefully uh, for our, ChatGPT. So if I paste that over here, that prompt, as you can see, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you can see clearly. Like over here, we just wrote web scrape and we pasted our URL over here, and with Python and beautiful soap. So now you can see that we got the Python, coding over here, and at the top we have some, like, here is some sample code that uses the Python library beautiful soap to scrape the top 250 movies on IMDb. It would seem something like this. As you can see over here, this is the code which has been generated by, ChatGPT. And once you clear out everything over here, make sure to check everything over here, and check everything, like, if you see something fail over here, just ask ChatGPT, to rephrase it or rewrite it with no fail or error over here in the code. So what you're going to do now, you're just going to go and copy from over here to check, you know, is this code is working or not. So once you copy this, you need to open your Visual Studios, and once you open your Visual Studio, make sure to create your, you know, your Python file. And if you don't know how to create your Python file, it's very easy. Just create a folder over here on your desktop, and after that, just name your file, and after that, just write .py. So it will create itself, right? So after that, just paste your, you know, your code which you got it from your ChatGPT, and like rewrite or rephrase it everything if you think that there are something, failed or error option are over here, and make sure to save this file. So just once you paste that over here, make sure to Control S, because otherwise you will lost all the progress, right? And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to run terminal. Once you run terminal, you can see on the left side we have our everything which we were looking for. As you can see over here, we have Prisoners, Warrior, Fargo, Gran Torino, all the information which we needed. It has been scraped over here. So this is one of the way which you can do. Now what we are going to do, we are going to ask ChatGPT that can you please rewrite the script to only extract title and air and output the results into a CSV file. So you can also ask ChatGPT like this. So, and specific information if you are looking for on the website. So right now I'm just looking for title and air. I don't need anything extra, or the different ratings or something like that. I don't need that. if you are looking for specific, specific approach on the website which you are, scraping, you can just write it down like this. Please rewrite the script to only extract title and air, and obviously output the result into CSV file. Why CSV file? CSV file because we can also get CSV file from ChatGPT. So it's one of the way you can also get information. So once you write this and enter this prompt, it will pop up something like this. And as you can see over here, we got the CSV file, and all the information are available over here. So what you're going to do, simple as we've done this before, just click on copy code on the top right corner on this code and go back to your Visual Studios. And what you're going to do, you're going to remove that last coding which we were, using, and what you can easily paste that also over here. Even though this is a CSV file, just paste that over here in your Python file, and after that just run your terminal. Once you run your terminal, you will see that it will create a CSV file by itself on the left side, as you can see. And once you click on your CSV file, you will see all the details related to your title and air from your website. Right now we are looking at IMDb, so it's just showed what we were looking for, like title and airs. As you can see, all the airs and the title are available right now on your screen. So this is one of the way which you can go and approach uh, to the website, and if you want to get the information out of your existing website. So ChatGPT is one of the most, and I think useful tool out there which will help you write it down your code, and you can get the information very quickly. So right now I'm going to show you another example with another website. We have done IMDb. I'm going to close this. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to paste the last prompt which we have used for our ChatGPT. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to change this URL to different website. Which website I'm going to go for? I'm going for this books.toscrape.com. Click on this and this is the website. And if I go ahead and copy this URL and go back and paste that over here, simple, right? Just enter. After that, you will get the whole information related to, your website. But as you can see over here, it has failed to fetch the page, and you can use different approach, like over here, just write it down like I need just title, or you can just write it down like I need title and the costing. So you can just go ahead and write it down and it will pop up with that information over here. And I think this is enough to understand like how you can scrape your website with the help of ChatGPT. And if you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe for more tips, and drop your question below if you are having any queries. So catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.